There are events in American history that are so disturbing, most people have never even heard of them. Some of them are still unexplained, even today. In this video, you're about to see 5 of the scariest events in American history. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last one is still happening today. In the early 1800s, a family in Tennessee claimed they were being haunted by something invisible. It started with strange noises at night, scratching on the walls, footsteps, whispers. But soon, things became much darker. The entity began speaking. It called itself Kate. It would insult the family, threaten them, and even physically attack them. The father, John Bell, was reportedly poisoned by this entity and died shortly after. To this day, no one knows what really happened. Some believe it was a spirit. Others believe it was something far worse. In 1912, in a small town in Iowa, something horrifying happened. One night, 8 people, including 6 children, were brutally murdered in their sleep. The killer used an axe. What makes this case terrifying is what happened after. There were no signs of forced entry. No one heard anything. And the killer was never caught. To this day, the house still stands. Many people claim it is haunted. Visitors report hearing footsteps, voices, even seeing shadows move in the dark. In 1947, Los Angeles police discovered one of the most disturbing crime scenes in American history. A young woman named Elizabeth Short, later known as the Black Dahlia, was found dead. Her body had been cut in half, drained of blood, and carefully placed in an open field. The killer showed no signs of panic. Everything looked intentional, clean, almost like a message. Despite massive investigations, the case was never solved. To this day, the identity of the killer remains a mystery. In Utah, there is a place known as Skinwalker Ranch. For decades, people have reported strange and terrifying experiences there. UFO sightings, unexplained creatures, animals found mutilated with no blood. Witnesses claim to see glowing eyes in the dark, watching them. Some say they've seen beings that can change shape. Others report hearing voices, even when no one is there. The US government even investigated this location, but no clear explanation was ever found. Whatever is happening there is still happening today. In 1587, a group of English settlers arrived in North America. They built a colony called Roanoke. Everything seemed normal at first. But then, something went terribly wrong. When supply ships returned years later, the entire colony was gone. No bodies, no signs of struggle, nothing. The only clue was a single word carved into a tree: Croatoan. To this day, no one knows what happened to them. Did they leave? Were they attacked? Or did something else take them? Whatever the truth is, it remains one of the greatest mysteries in American history. These were 5 of the scariest events in American history. Which one do you think is the most terrifying? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mysterious and dark stories.